know that it is unavoidable for the trader to make losses some of the time. But do you know some ways to recover from them? Let's find out in this video. It is very common mistake among us traders of all levels of experience to deposit and trade again immediately after a string of large losses. This behavior is destructive because if you keep doing the same thing in the hope of a different result, you will often just lose more money. Similarly, some traders who become emotional after losses increase the size of their positions and generally trade very aggressively in a misguided attempt to take revenge of markets. This usually leads to a very greater losses. If you have made a significant loss, the best way to recover is to stop trading for at least a few hours to analyze what went wrong and what you will do to prevent it from happening again. It's natural to want to blame something or somebody when you make losses that might be your broker, yourself, or even the market in general. However, it is not helpful to do this because blame it itself won't fix the problem. To avoid it, try setting up a different questions you ask and answer before you try to place blame. But I did on too much risk in the hope of a very big reward. Be honest with the answer here. Was the entry rushed or just planned in a very bad manner? Did I panic around the exit? Or did I not manage the trade well enough? What should I have done instead and how could I do that next time? On very rare occasions, it might be that X is at fault. In that case, you can speak to us and we will be happy to resolve the matter. Pretty much every trader makes silly mistakes. Sometimes that's human nature. Instead of being angry at yourself in that situation, resolve to change and try to avoid doing the same thing in future. Sometimes there is nothing you can really do to prevent significant losses except setting realistic stops. For example, if you were buying the pound sterling around the British growth plant in September 2022, you couldn't have predicted the result. So the best lesson would be to avoid large positions around similar events in the future. The crucial step to recover is thinking logically apart from resuming immediately. And revenge trading, another destructive mistake is to assume that your strategy is faulty based on a statistically insignificant number of trades. The type of thinking can lead to trader discarding good strategies which don't fit temporary conditions in market. As with almost anything else in trading, think at least a little bit first before you act. What you do after you suffer a loss and how does it help you recover? Write your thoughts in the comments. Bye bye.